Good Saturday afternoon to everyone. Last time I was here, I did a bunch of blues, which I think came out pretty darn nice. So today I did add some, I want to say a champagne. So I think today I'm going to add some gold. And we're going to do a whole bunch of purples. I got them all lined up over here. Not sure you can see them. I'm going to start off with the Amsterdam white. Let me just show you these. We've got the neon violet, the folk art plum flash, Dioxizine by whom? Yeah, Liquitex, I think. The folk art color shift purple flash. And, oh, I seem to have two more over there, Kay. Artist Loft Light Violet. The Neon Violet by Artist Loft. And the, escaping me, Deco Art Extreme Sheen Amethyst. So, let's get to going here. I hope everybody's having a great day. I've got a list of things to do, and I'm finally on my number 3 out of, I've lost count, how many things I wanted to do today. So, and again, we're going to be using the blow dryer over here. So, yes, I've leveled this, made sure it was level. So, let's start this out. Alrighty. Oh, I still want to use that amethyst. Okay. Stop. Alrighty. It was supposed to get up to 60 today. It has not. Yay. What do we use next? Let's use the neon violet. I should have shooken these up. Shaken. Should have gone bonk. There's Princess. Hey, Princess. Yeah, I shut her down here yesterday when the groceries arrived. Whoopsie-doo. But she didn't bark. So I'm like, okay, we got a globby here. Ruh-roh. And no gloves. We'll try to remember to remedy that. Alright. And let's go for the Extreme Sheen Amethyst next. Yes, I'm making noises during this, sorry. And let's go with the Neon Violet, Artist Loft. Maybe. Uh-oh, is this one just too thick? I don't know. And have we done the light violet yet? I don't think. I don't know. I'm just, ooh, no we haven't. Alrighty. I think there's going to be plenty of paint on here. Not even sure I'm going to use all of them. Purple flash. It's got like little hues of blues in there. Gotta get that. Alright, the dioxazine. Bleh. Once again, we're doing laundry. I counted, there's 20 pieces in the load. Probably got 3 loads this weekend. Now we're gonna just splash some gold on here. Boop. Alright. Fingers crossed. I'll put everything a little bit further over here. I don't think I used all the colors that I had listed, but We're going to do this. Alrighties. Are you with me, hair dryer? Oh, goody. Got it caught up. There we go. Alright. Oh, if you have earbuds in, please take them out. Oh, dear. Alrighty. On the bottle over here. There we go. A little bit of trouble over here. Alright, we got this. Princess, she does not like the hair dryer. Says, no, no, no. Little girl, don't do that. Alright, let me get some paint here, and I know there we go. There's the overflow. Alright. Tap that there. See if we can get it going. Okay. I will touch up the sides after I turn this off, but I'm liking the cells that are coming up sporadically. Let's hope they continue to come up. Now let's bring you guys down for a close-up. Helmets and seatbelts, please. Here we go. Whew. Okay, starting at the corner. That corner needs to touch up. Ooh, there's some bright gold in there. Touching up that corner too. Panty pins. Nice cluster of cells here. Oh, definitely got to touch that corner up. I don't want to blow it because of those cells there. Okay. Alrighties. Okay, guys. Well, I think that's going to be it for me for now. I'm wishing everybody a wonderful and happy Easter. Be kind to others, and we will see you next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye for now, guys.